When we moved, it was brand new. Most of them are here like short term.
Original apartment. Wow. Okay. Wow. Share that. So I assume that in India, we were in a very nice gated community with all kinds of apartments, classes for kids, classes for us, like yoga, etc. Here, I don't have access to that.
My daughter's here. Sorry. Hello.
Hello. We don't bite.
The hardest thing for me was Babin used to go very early in the morning. So 5:30 was his time when I came here, and I was like 5:30 in the morning, and I couldn't even like get up at 5:30, and he would be gone, and my daughter would go to school, and then I was left like alone, and I was like, what am I to do with this day? From the country that we come, safety is a big concern. In India, I cannot even imagine leaving her outside the society gate alone. And here, she goes every day, all by herself, not only to the school, but to the swimming pool, but, wherever the kids are playing. It's so safe and secure.